Alright guys, we've got the brand new Pencil Pro. So we're just gonna open this up. On the back of the package, actually I should show you around the box before anything. Not much info. The only information that you guys will want is back here. Serial numbers and all that stuff. It tells you what it's compatible with, which is something that Apple definitely needs to do with all their Apple Pencils. So iPad Pro and iPad Air. So that's the M4 series, M2 series. So if you got an older iPad, this will not work. Anyways, right here it gives you a quick look at what you're supposed to do. By the way, I do have a set of video about this. So how to sync it up with your iPad, how to use it and all that stuff. That's separate. This is just an unboxing video. So I know this video is gonna bug some people, but hey, some people just wanna see what comes inside the box. What exactly you get inside the box, not just a manual of how to use this. So it's exactly what we're gonna see. What comes inside the box? So here's the pencil. You just set that up there. And then inside this, there will be just this. So these are basically all the paperwork that you guys are gonna get within it. And by paperwork, it's just all this boring stuff that you guys will not even take a look at. And the pencil itself is so easy to set up that you don't really need even instructions for it. But anyways, let's just take a look at it. Let's take it out. And I do have the other Apple Pencils, by the way, so you guys can see the differences physically about them. Obviously, there's stuff that we can see that's physically visible, a visible difference. And then there's stuff that you guys will not notice a difference between the two. So here's the pencil. It's lightweight, yes. It does come with some charge already, but I will be talking more about that in the setup video, obviously. And down here below, see this right here? We can unscrew this. So that's how that looks like. Let me just try to zoom in on it. I don't know why I can't right now. I'm having difficulties. So there you go. That's a good zoom in. Let me just screw this back. So you guys can unscrew and screw this back in, just like by doing that, and screw it back in like that. So you can always change this up. And right here, you guys will see Pencil Pro. There's no other markings around it. It's all smooth around. And right here, it's flat. All right, so only here it's flat. Everywhere else, it's just like a pencil. So that's actually kind of nice. I like that from Apple Pencils because they feel good on your hand. So again, this is an Apple Pencil, Pencil Pro in this case. And what I can tell you right away, because I have all the other Apple Pencils, I don't see a difference between it. Just right away, just from seeing it right away, I can't tell you that there's a huge difference or any type of difference between the other ones. Except for sure, first generation, then that's completely different than all the others. So again, here it is. But again, this is just an unboxing video, so I can't really show you anything else because there's nothing else inside the box. There's no cables, nothing comes with this. It's just your Apple Pencil. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.